This is the morning garden, and my lights just came on for my plants, and I just did some new ones up top here. They're not in the heat. They're not on the heat. Starting to warm up here, and this is the tower of my plant containers where I start my plants at. All 50 cents each at Walmart. 50 cents each. Yep, it's about 6.5 feet tall. Alright, there the plants go, folks. There they go. And these are from Garden Revel, the seeds, and he sent them to me, and I appreciate that very, very much. Trust me, brother, I appreciate it. The moons and stars are one of the seeds. One melon is called a big red. I don't know what that is, but it's a big red melon. And I also have my asparagus in here, Jersey Giants. And then I have some right over here in this little corner here. That is rosemary. What happened? This case, the tall case you see on here, is a tall one I bought years ago. Cleaned it up a bit and started using it because, you know, that's what it's good for, to use it. Right here is my Black Cowl liquid. My Black Cowl liquid is, that's what I'm going to call it, Black Cowl liquid. And the company called me today. I was really surprised and shocked. I have to return their call because I didn't get the call. They left a message. And they want to talk about some ideas. The beautiful, beautiful product. Beautiful product. I only use what's natural. I won't stick nothing on my site. I don't believe in doing that. I don't care how much money offered. I'm not going to run my name behind a product. I see a lot of people stick products on there, and I look at the product and it looks crazy. You know, they're just selling it. But Black Cowl is something that has been done for thousands of years. People have been feeding their plants animal manure. But they have a quality operation. And I'm going to be able to give you more information once I get in touch with them. I don't want to tell you anything that I'm not sure of. But based on what I read on the bags, it talks about their product. And I'm seeing results. Look at the pretty green these plants have. From the EM1 and also their product. That is pretty. That is a pretty green. They're healthy. Look at the light here. They all are touching under this light. Touching. Grow them in the dead of winter when it was so cold in this room. I was wondering what was going to happen. And this room here is my grow room, and plants still did well. Cow manure, folks. Cow manure. The heck with all those other bags of stuff that they mark up and sell. Cow manure with a little bit of vermiculite. I'm telling you that because I know it works. This is not Black Cowl telling you that. It's me. Alright, this is the Morning Gardener. Just wanted to give you a quick update. In fact, that's what I'm going to call this video, quick update. Look at all the plants. Look at all the plants. Onions. In here, the cold is affecting them, but I got my plants here. This is, what do they call these things? Kale. Kale and collards here, and also onions. Lots and lots and lots of onions. And guess what the medium is there? And some of you already know, I just said it. Black Cowl. Black Cowl. These onions are doing fine. I just have to pay attention to the watering part of it because this size container, I'm not really familiar with watering it, but I've been just using my finger, touch down in there and make sure that it's moist and not too wet, because onions do not like wet feet. They'll take moist, but not wet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener.